So this is a Lunar Clubman SB Caravan. Just going to take you through the operation of it. Master switch is on the right hand side of the panel here. As you can see, when I hit the master switch, all the heating system comes on and the lights come on inside the Caravan. You've got your awning light on the left hand side at the top. You've got your internal lights on this switch just here, which is for the 240 supply lights, and then your water pump on the bottom right hand side. In the middle you've got your voltmeter for the battery. With the heating system, you can see at the moment it's turned on. All you need to do is hit the store button. The heating's currently on at the moment, so just hit the off button to show you how to turn it off. So you've got on or off on the up and down buttons on this bit just here where it's flashing. Come across to the right, you've got room temperature, and to set that you put the room temperature up to 30 or all the way down to 5 degrees. It's a simple case of pressing up and down. Once you've done that, just press store and that's the temperature set. Hot water is currently turned off and it's saying it's 3 degrees inside the tank, so if you want to warm the hot water up, hit the on button and it will start the onboard water tank and it will turn that on. Next one across is the gas supply on board the Caravan. To use the gas supply, again all you need to do is go up and hit on. It'll ignite on gas and it'll use that as the main power supply. Coming across again, you've got what power supply you've got coming into the Caravan from the 240 supply. At the moment we're on 2 kilowatts. On site here we can only really run on 1 kilowatt, so I've just set that back to 1 kilowatt. That's the basic operation of the heating and control panel. Underneath the bed, or underneath the front seat, sorry, in the front corner, you've actually got your 10 litre water tank and your drain down valve to the left hand side. At the moment the tank is completely drained and that's why the switch is in the up position. If I flick it down you'll actually be able to fill the onboard water tank. Pressure regulator to the right of it, that's preset. One thing I'd advise to do is just put a little black mark on it down the side and a little bit black mark on the housing at the bottom, just so you know it's always in the right place. It can always be caught and twisted slightly and it will change the pressure of the water on board the Caravan. Coming back, you've got your main master switches or your main trip switches for the Caravan, and below it the 12 volt supply fuses. Any of the fuses you can buy from any auto factor such as Helford's or any auto factors. The lights in the Caravan are all individually switched, as you can see going around the Caravan on the bottom of them. Inside the cupboard here you'll actually have the Aldi hot water tank. As long as the water level on the water tank, or the hot water tank, which is actually antifreeze in this tank, is above the minimum, the system's completely okay to use. If it's below that, give us a call and we'll advise you of what fluid to use. You don't have to drain that tank down during the winter. As I said, it's got antifreeze on board. This particular customer's had an awning with their Caravan, as you can see. They don't come with every Caravan, it is an optional extra. In the bathroom, a very simple to use toilet system, electric flush on top, and then underneath you have the grey handle to release to open up the waste tank underneath. All the taps etc on the Caravan are very simple to use. On-off switch taps, micro switch, which will turn the pump on as you need it. That's the basic operation of the Caravan. If you've got any questions you'd like to ask at all, please do give us a call and we'll run through it in more detail over the phone. Thank you very much. Bye bye.